So it's sumo time. Okay, you guys ready? Yep. Let's sumo. Okay, everybody's being cautious. So it's sumo time. Okay, you guys ready? Yep. Let's sumo. Okay, everybody's being cautious. Oh, there we go. Now this is not demolition derby. You just got to push the people off. Oh, 6x6 in trouble. Whoa! 6x6 in trouble again. Oh no, the 6x6 on its side. Oh, 6x6 recovered. My God, what is he doing? We don't know, but oh, he's almost off. Oh yes, oh no. Something doesn't sound right. Okay. TRX4 versus... Oh. Is he going to get it off? Come on. Slowly. There we go. We have ourselves a winner. Yay. Okay. 2-6. Hey? Go ahead. You sure? You know, I can just stop for you if you want and just like... I appreciate that. Okay, good. Okay. Let's get ready to sumo. Let's sumo. Go. We have the TRX4 that's trying to get the axle out. Oh! Nice one. There we go. Got one truck off. Whoa! Stranger went off. The 2 6x6. Oh, there we go. Traxxas for the win. Woohoo! Okay, we have a bunch of trucks on there. Okay, get ready. Let's sumo. Oh, 6x6 out. Now don't hit the trucks. Go softly. Oh, you're in trouble. That's it. Whoa, there we go. It's off now. Okay. Whoa, darn, he's off his side. Is he going to bring it back up? He can. He's got the truck to do it. He's done it in the past. Is he going to recover? Come on, get back up there. Come on, TRX4, get him off of there. Come on. They're all tangled up together. Oh! Somebody's in trouble. Oh! Nice one.
Get him on his tires.
Nice one. Cool. Okay, 7 trucks. Last sumo of the day. Let's sumo. Oh, what carnage over there. 4 trucks out at the same time. Oh, there's that little element that's going crazy. Oh, he's got it. Come on, little element. Push him off. Go softly. Keep. Oh, darn, you had it. Oh.
Screw you, Jay.
And TRX6 wins. I know. Okay, looks like people want another one. Let's do another one. Okay, guys ready? Let's sumo. Oh. He's all dismembered. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, one TR, the 1/6 wheel off, the other one's off. Whoa! Elements on the side. Oh, there we go. Windshield's coming apart, but that's okay. We have a winner. Victory dance. Thanks for coming for sumo. Who likes sumo?
Yeah. Well.
Here.
Cheers.